Hey man, what are you doing? I just listed my entire closet on eBay. Cool. Has anything sold yet? No. I should get a real job. Hello YouTube, my name is Austyn and today I'm going to be talking about the realities of selling on eBay. I've been selling on eBay for the past 2 years, and in that time I have grossed nearly $50,000 in sales, so I'd say I know more than the average person when it comes to selling on the platform. Now let's go back to that intro. A lot of people start selling on eBay by shopping their homes. They find old video games, old toys, old clothes. They list it on eBay thinking that they can quit their job tomorrow. When I first listed my DS games and plush toys, it took a total of 3 weeks to get my first sale. The reality of selling on eBay is that it's going to take time and it's going to require patience to get a sale. Especially if you're just shopping your house, chances are the items you have aren't going to have the most demand. A 2012 Angry Birds plush toy isn't going to be selling daily on eBay. Whereas if you're trying to sell your Xbox or PlayStation, it's going to sell a lot quicker. To tell how often an item sells, pull up your eBay app, go to the search bar, and type in whatever it is you want to look up. We'll look up Xbox One, for example. We'll go to filter, and then we click on sold listings. Now what we're going to want to do is look at the dates. We see sold 10/24/2020. We just keep scrolling down, and we can see a lot of them have sold today. Obviously the models are different on that and everything, but you get the point. This item sells regularly. By looking at the recent sales, you can figure out what to expect when it comes to how quickly your item will sell. Also be mindful of all of the unsold listings. Those are your competitors. If there's a bunch of competition, it may take longer for your item to sell. Please be patient when it comes to selling on eBay. Now let's talk about fees. eBay takes around 13% of fees from your sales, so keep that in mind when you're going to make a purchase. Whenever I purchase an item to resell on eBay, I always figure out the profitability by pulling up my calculator. First, I take the recent sales price of the item. Let's say that this water bottle right here is selling for 25 bucks. So on the calculator, I'll type in $25 times 0.87, and that is the money we will get after the eBay fees, $21.75. Now, let's say that this bottle right here costs $5 at a thrift store. So we'll subtract the $5 buy cost. We get $16.75. But we also have to ship this item after it sells. Let's say it costs $8 to ship this water bottle. So we'll subtract 8, and we are left with $8.75 profit on this water bottle we picked up for $5 at the thrift store and sold for $25 theoretically. So when purchasing at garage sales and thrift stores, please take fees into account and figure out if the item is really worth picking up. It can be really tempting to see an item that's worth $25 on eBay and pick it up when it costs $10, but you're only gonna get a few bucks profit. Like for $4 of profit with all the work you're gonna put into listing, shipping, it's not worth your time. If you're not aware of eBay and shipping fees, your profit margins will be eaten alive. Once you become addicted to reselling from thrift stores and garage sales, your house will be filled up with a bunch of expensive junk. Now you better have a good way to organize it. When I was heavy into being an eBay seller, I had wire shelving and I lettered each layer of the shelf a letter of the alphabet. Then what I did is I created a Google spreadsheet, and on the header of that spreadsheet, I had each letter of the alphabet, and under those letters, I had the items that were sitting on each shelf layer. So let's say I labeled the very top layer of my wire shelf A, and I put this water bottle for sale on layer A. I would go into my Google sheet, and under the A column, I would type in water bottle so that I would know where it is in the future. If I had 250 products listed, I didn't want to spend 30 minutes looking for an item that only gave me 10 bucks profit. That's just a waste of time. So what I would do instead is pull up the spreadsheet, Control F, and type in the item that I'm looking for, and I would get it a lot quicker. You've got to have a good inventory keeping system when it comes to selling on eBay. Also, if your house does get too cluttered, it's not a bad idea to look into renting out a storage unit. Sourcing for items can be super fun, but listing and staying organized is always going to be a pain. So develop systems for listing and keeping organized, like the example I gave with the wire racks and letters, which, by the way, I 100% recommend that you guys do. If you're interested in eBay reselling, I have a lot of videos on the topic, so please check them out to let me. Oh, this one right there, that's a great one. But right down below is the subscribe button. Go ahead and click it. Hope you guys have an amazing day. My name is Austyn. I'm out. Later.